Welcome to bonus break 102 for the 2020 Gold Rush Autograph 16 by 20 Multi-Sport Edition. Want to thank everyone for joining our previous breaks, for making this bonus break happen. And all of you watching, let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Saturday, September 19th, 2020. It is 11:55 p.m. Eastern Time, 10:55 p.m. Central Time, and 8:55 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have GS Sports Cards, Mike Will, Hess, KS, Say Black, Jolene, RTS Sports Cards, King Vlad, Jolene, CH Matt, Hess, Ed, the Big Cox. It's Dab, Hess, Jolene, Jag, Con, MK, RV Supplies, Robert Man, Hess, JM, Card, Whitkay, and last but not least, Hess, ILV 45. Come back to you guys in a minute. Let's see what we have. Open this up. So it's multi-sport. Could be football, could be basketball, baseball, could be golf, could be boxing, WWE, NASCAR. We have no idea. We're going to find out in this box, which I will get out of the way because it takes up too much space. Ooh, Tom Brady's going down. Okay. Box is empty. And speaking of 16 by 20s, don't forget, J.K. Dobbins giveaway will start tomorrow night. All right, what sport do we have here? Baseball. Let's turn this. Well, this is fantastic. Check this out. Nolan Ryan, we'll look this up. I wish I had more room right now. Look at this. JSA cert. We're going to look this up. I'm going to get a better picture of hang on a second. We're going to make this work. Okay. So what we have in front of us, I'm going to look up and confirm for us. It's taken all day. It is the Texas Rangers. This was baseball, but go to the Rangers because it's Nolan Ryan. Is their site just taking forever or what? Here we go. Confirming a Nolan Ryan autograph 16 by 20. Nolan Ryan, blood everywhere. Let's start randomizing to see who's going to get this sweet pull for Nolan Ryan. First, we're going to take everyone from the break. GS Sports Cards on top, Hess on the bottom. We'll randomize this list 7 times. And then after the 7th time, this is our first list for the break. Then we'll randomize spots 1 through 30. And wherever spot number 1 ends up, the Nolan Ryan autograph 16 by 20 is coming your way. Everything that breaks over the weekend ships out Monday morning. So Monday morning, once, twice, the 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has spot 29 on top, spot 5 on the bottom. Alright, looking for spot number 1. Right there. It's Dab 8. Congrats on the Nolan Ryan autograph 16 by 20. Very cool. Alright guys, Nolan Ryan autograph 16 by 20. That was bonus 102. We want to thank everyone for joining our breaks, hanging out with us. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you around, and thank you very much.